the sort of the rule of thumb in the morning trading CTV is, you wait to see where the market, especially on a Monday, you wait to see where the market opens, right? Open, and then watch it move in a direction, let's say up, whatever. And then usually around 9:40, it will kind of do one of these and then head in some direction towards 10 o'clock. So it heads towards like this, 10 o'clock, you know you're going to be trading something this way. If it trades up like this towards 10 o'clock, then we know we're going to be going this way. That is the general rule of how to begin your morning, is you wait to watch the price action into 1 o'clock, such as this. I'm sorry, 10 o'clock. That's Eastern time. See it right here? Everybody see this? This is the 9:40 time zone right here, 9:40 Eastern. That's what that time of day zone is right in here. So typically, however it opens, there's usually some jiggy jam going up this way, and then maybe this way, and then we look for the reversal this way. Everybody's clear that's how we play it, right? You get to your time, you're approaching your time of day zone from a certain direction, and you look for the reversal this way. Typically, that's what you look for, right? Everybody clear about that? Take a look at Friday as an example. And that's every time of day zone. Trading with the trend is something else. Yes, you can do it. I'm going to show you what it looks like, especially this morning. But generally speaking, we are trading the shifts in the market. Generally speaking. This was very similar. If you look at how this opened, you can see price coming down. This is almost a mirror image of this morning, right? So here's 1040 coming down. Obviously, the morning has been dropping like crazy. So if you start to get a reversal coming up to 1040, then look for your pullback. There it is. Get back above the pullback candle and then trade it. And there it is. That's the CTV right there. All you need is about 90 cents on the SPY, which is almost a buck. Which is almost 10 points on SPX. That's perfect. Give you another move here. This is 11 o'clock. Price is moving up. I'm looking for what? Reversal. There it is. There it is. Get your little pullback up in here to like the 5-period moving average, and there's your trade. You could just go over, shift after shift after shift. Price is coming down. What am I looking for? Here's a time of day zone. Looking for that move up. There's the pullback, and bang, you're converted right before you even get through half a lunch. Just keep rocking here for a minute just so you can see some of these trades. All right, so this is the 115 shift. Right here, 115 shift. What direction is price moving? From lunch into 115. It's pretty clear. It's moving up. But if you look at the trajectory of the 20-period moving average, it's starting to fail. It's not a straight up day, is it? If it was, this wouldn't be mixed. So we look for the reversal. You can see the cycle indicators at the top. You got mixed results. You're basically just waiting for this chop to resolve, and then a head down, head down, head down, all the indicators, and then price. Does everybody see that? Heading up into 115, looking for the reversal this way. Here's your chop. Here's your chop in price. You're above the RSI here. You have blue and yellow mixture dots in here. Your RSI, I told you about the cycle indicator, is sort of going sideways, but still at the upper end. And what we're looking for is a shift in price. Find a good pullback, wait for the signals to line up, which they don't until here. Does everybody see that? That's the lineup. That's your entry, not here because you don't have it, right? You don't have it here. This is a no trade, no trade, no trade, right? You might have shift dots, not all of them. You have the shift. You do not have RSI yet. And when you look at the 20 period simple, it's been moving higher and higher and higher. You would like to cross it. Once you cross that, everything lines up. That, and that. Super easy. Wait for your pullback. Boom. Here's your trade. Dun, 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 right there. Bang, bang, bang. If you just follow the simple rules.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.